Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Minecraft Realm server not found error in a few simple steps. First, if you are the owner of the realm, open your game and go to the Realms menu. Close your realm and then open it again. This helps refresh the connection between your realm and Mojang servers and can fix the issue quickly. Next, make sure your game is fully updated. Realms only works on the latest version of Minecraft. If a new update was released recently, your game may not connect until it is updated. Open your launcher and check for updates, then install anything available. Now, sign out of your account inside the game. Open the Minecraft launcher and sign out from there as well. If you are on Windows, also open the Xbox app and Microsoft Store, then sign out from both apps. Once everything is signed out, restart your computer to clear any cached data. After the restart, open the Microsoft Store and Xbox app again and sign back in. Then open the Minecraft launcher and sign in with the same account. Finally, launch the game and try to join your realm again. This process refreshes your account session and usually fixes the server not found error. Thanks for watching.